Hi guys, have you ever wanted a fun caricature of yourself that actually represents what you do for a living? In this video, I will show you how to create a caricature AI image of yourself and your job using ChatGPT, all in your phone. No design skill needed. So caricature are no longer just drawings done by artists. With ChatGPT's AI image feature, you can now turn your photo into a professional cartoon-style caricature that reflects your personality and your job. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to create a caricature AI image of yourself using ChatGPT step by step. There is a viral trend on social media right now where people are turning their photos into fun, cartoon-style or exaggerated caricature art, and you can do it with ChatGPT's new image generation tool. So whether you want a fun avatar for social media, a unique profile picture, or just a creative AI art piece, this tutorial will walk you through everything from uploading your photo to generating and saving your caricature image. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to go over to your ChatGPT account, and you can access your ChatGPT account via the ChatGPT app or via the ChatGPT website. So whichever one that you want to use, you will still gain the same result. And also, if you have not created your ChatGPT account, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how to create a ChatGPT account in just a minute. So go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. You're going to see a video link right there. Tap on the video link, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can easily create a ChatGPT account. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on my ChatGPT app to open it. So let me tap on ChatGPT. You can see now the ChatGPT app is opening. So once your ChatGPT app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the menu icon at the top left. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So since this video is about creating a caricature AI image of yourself and your job, what you have to do is to tap on the second option, which is images. You can see the image icon right there. So let me tap on images. So guys, now what you have to do now is to select the style or the model that you want to use to create the caricature AI image. And as you can see here, we have so many styles right here, but the one you have to go for is the one written caricature trend. You can see it right there. That's the one on the left. You can see it written caricature trend. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. In case you don't find this caricature trend right here, what you simply have to do is to scroll down. You're going to find it, but most likely it's going to be right here at the top because it's actually trending. So let me tap on caricature trend. You can see the next step, it says caricature trend, choose a photo to get started. So you can either choose a photo from your camera roll or your gallery, or you can simply take a selfie. But let me choose from my photo since I have a good picture in my photo gallery. So let me tap on choose photo. You can see guys, it has directed me now to my phone gallery. So let me quickly choose the image that I need. Let me do that real quick. I don't want this video to be too long. Right there guys, you can see now I've selected my image and it's uploading my image. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see this is the image that I uploaded. You can see the image right there, and you can see the image is generating, the caricature AI image is generating. You can see it written creating image. So guys, you can see the prompt. You can see that the prompt is automatically added there. That's because we chose the caricature trend, the caricature style. So for the caricature style, the prompt is actually programmed, where you can actually edit this prompts to suit whatever you want. Let's say for instance, let's wait for the image. While the image is creating, let me just give some little explanation. Let's say for instance, you created the image and it omitted some of the things that you do. Let's say you're a content creator and it didn't put any symbol that has to do with content creating in the image, in the caricature image created. You can actually impute stuff like that. Let's say you can impute the YouTube logo, you can impute the tripod stand, the camera, and the rest of it. Wow guys, you can see the image has been created. You can see this is the AI caricature image of myself and the jobs that I do. You can see it right here. But like I said, let me show you guys how you can edit this prompt, this automatic prompt that has been linked to the caricature trend. Let me show you how you can edit it. So let me copy it now. Let me highlight it, then let me tap on copy, then let me paste it. So I can go ahead now to say add YouTube content, YouTube tech content creator. Then I can also tell it to add tripod, stand, and camera. So guys, now you can see this is the edited prompt, so I'm going to send it so it can generate another caricature AI image of what I do and the jobs that I do. So I'm simply adding the content creation part of my life. Remember, this is about creating an image that has to do with everything that you do on ChatGPT, and I've been doing some content creation, creating YouTube videos, but this image right here, the first image that it created, it didn't have anything that has to do with content creation. That's why I added most of those things that I added, the YouTube, the camera, and the rest. So this is how I can change the automatic prompt. So let me tap on enter. You can see it right there. You can see now it is now you can see guys, it's loading and it's now creating the image. You can see creating image. So let's just wait for a few seconds. It's still creating. So you can see if you select your image, the prompt is going to automatically appear there, which is this first one there. You can see they said create a caricature of me and my job based on everything you know about me. So if you select the caricature trend, the caricature style, it's going to create an image of everything that you've done in ChatGPT, of all the questions, of all the assignment jobs that you've done on ChatGPT that ChatGPT have assisted you on. It's going to create an image surrounding all the activities that you've carried out in ChatGPT. So let me scroll down, and like I said, you can also edit this prompt, this particular one up there, the automated prompt. So I've edited it right here, and we're waiting for the image to be created. Wow guys, can see this is a new image. You can see it right there, and as you can see there, we have the YouTube icon, the tripod stand, the camera, which I told you to add. So let me tap on it so you can see it clearly. So guys, now you can see this is the updated one, the one that I edited the prompt. So for me to save this, I can go ahead now to tap on save at the top. So let me tap on save. You can see guys, the image is saving. Wow guys, you can see image saved. So I can find this now in my camera roll or my phone gallery. So let me go back and save the first one. You can see this is the first one that has this is the first one that doesn't have the YouTube stuff. So let me go ahead now to save it. So guys, now I've been able now to show you how you can create a caricature image of yourself and the job that you do using the ChatGPT app, and I've also showed you how you can fine-tune the prompts to suit whatever you do so you can get the best image for yourself. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to create a caricature of yourself and the job based on everything that you've done on ChatGPT. And I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.